Stan the Urban Survivor's Man here, and this is one of the campers we've built. We've built 4 of these campers just for ourselves. This one's on a Dodge 4500 Cummins 6-speed manual transmission with low-range 4-wheel drive, and it's before death. It's 2009, and so we built it on that. And up front you have a bumper with winch, LED lights. Inside you got backup cameras, seats, 4 to 5 people inside. Toolbox down there where you put in all the gas hookups. Side paneling and is all aluminum with the roof made out of a single piece of aluminum that wraps all the way around. And it's also made out of on a steel frame, square tube. Spare tire is winched down from the bottom there. Here's the rear with your extra jerry cans, your accessories and tools on the side. Again, a place to store your snow change, and also your LP gas canister can be stored underneath there. You have a ladder to get up on top of the roof where there's a solar panel, and then of course another toolbox. So let's go on inside. Inside the camper, everything's custom made. We have a table right here that folds down into a bed. There's also storage underneath. Stereo and storage up above. There's a bunk right there that sleeps a person, and then the large overhead can sleep 3 people very comfortably, 4 people if you needed to. That ladder will pull out and become stairs. You have a cubby here for everyone's luggage or backpacks. Here's your pantry. It's nice and deep, goes all the way back. On this side you have storage, stove and oven, sink. Again, this is fully self-contained, so the solar panels are up on top. Fridge, more storage, heater, and a bathroom. Ready for any apocalypse or any expedition camping? This is the rig to take because it can tow all our toys.